How to draw an astronaut. Hey, learn how to draw hub crew. So for the first step making our astronaut today, we're going to begin by making one big circle right in the middle of the page. Nice job! Now in the center of the circle that we just made, we're going to begin to make a square with 4 soft edges. Nice job! Now on each side of the helmet that we just made, let's go ahead and add in one C-like shape for the ears. Now right below the helmet, we're going to begin to make the neck. This will be a long rectangular-like shape. Now right below the neck that we just made, let's go ahead and begin to make the body of our astronaut. Great job so far! Now underneath of each leg that we just made, we're going to make one C-like shape. This will be the feet of our astronaut. Now let's move directly above the feet that we just made and use a rectangular-like shape to make the belt of our astronaut. Fantastic! Now over on the left hand side, let's begin to make the first arm and hand of our astronaut. Awesome job! Now over on the right hand side, we're going to do the same thing that we just did on the left, but on this hand, we're going to make it appear as if our astronaut is giving a thumbs up. Now last but not least, let's go ahead and add a little bit of detail to the suit of our astronaut. This is how to draw an astronaut. Thank you for watching Learn How to Draw Hub. If you liked the video today, then go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Also, if you're not yet subscribed to the Learn How to Draw Hub YouTube channel, then go hit that button right now. Awesome. Let's go ahead and color in our drawing together.